Down.
Okay, ready?
No, wait, we need to go over there because we're
No, don't do that.
We're gonna hit the
No, we
fucking
won't.
right
We won't. Okay, come on, ready? Back up.
I love you.
Again. Love you too. Ready?
there. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I told you we were gonna hit it.
We just hit the branch.
I told you we were gonna hit the branch.
Hey, but we made it way far back.
Yeah, let's turn out hit the branch. Get it off the branch. Okay.
I'm scared now.
Why? That was way better than the first one.
Okay.
Shit.
We'll try.
Famous last words.
Ready?
It worked out well that last time.
No, famous last words are, hey, watch this.
I'm on.
Holy shit!
What are you doing?
You okay?
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Need some help? Everybody go help her.
I'm good.
Come this way.
Come this way.
Jason, get your ass down there. Fuck. You big fucking girl, get down there.
I told you, I just seriously thought for sure that they'll just keep you tossed to fall in the water.
Don't pull me in there either, Danielle. I know you. I'm scared. That's why I'm scared.
Hold on, you guys.
Get him. Get up there.